Olivia, and this is Olivia's art studio. This is part 1 of my series on building and decorating a birdhouse. So, first I need to take out everything out of the box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. So it comes with these 4 colors. But let me show you something else. It's an acrylic paint studio, and it comes with 25 colors. And it's really heavy. And I'll also be using these 2 colors, a hammer, some paper plates, some like little wood pieces, stickers, and some paintbrushes. So now it's time to paint. I'm not going to assemble it before painting, so it'll be easier to paint it. So then I can also paint both sides of it. I'm going to put silver in this bowl. Does it need to be taken on side too? Nope. The color that it comes out into is like clear. Okay, it was clear for a reason. I needed to shake it up really good. Let's hope it comes out not clear. Yay, it comes out silver now. Yeah, that's the color it should be. So, I decided to use this black one because it's really easy, like 1, 2, 3, and it's done with the whole thing. So for this little pokey thing, I'm gonna do it silver. This. Okay, so now I'm gonna paint the back. I also did the sides, and I'm not doing the back so I could put it to wood. So now I'm going to paint the front gold. I'm going to do a couple layers of the gold because it's kind of like see-through. Okay, so now I'm going to do the side. We're back. Now it's time to do some stenciling. So I'm going to get my bowls for paint. And then, of course, some stencils. And some big, enormous paint box. Okay, and the first package I'm going to open up is this one. Okay, this is cool because it's like a sticky and you stick it onto the place and then you peel it off once you're done. So I'm going to use, the first one I'm going to use is this big flower. So I put the stencil on this. Start with the yellow. And next, I'm going to use my blue. I just dried off my brush and cleaned it. Just to do the tips of the petals. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to tell you what I already painted to go over it. So I painted this little flower. I painted this dot of many colors. And then I painted this vine. And one of my favorite things that I painted so far is this flower. I think the one out of these that I want to do first is going to be this dragonfly. And I'm actually going to add it on to this area right there. I'm going to slant it so it looks like it's like flying up. Now I'm going to put the paint in. Okay. Now I think the middle, like the body of it, I think I want it to be purple. And the bottom wings of the dragonfly will be bright orange. I'm going to do a cool pattern where top wing and the bottom wing, like the diagonal, like an X, they'd both be the same color. Like, so the top wing on one side and the bottom wing on the other side would be the same color, and then the top wing on one side and the bottom wing on the other side would be the same color, just like this. Top wing and the other bottom wing are going to be bright pink. This is the end of part 1. Please join me next time for part 2, and we will finish up building and decorating a birdhouse.